Hello everyone, my name is Mike. Today we are going to check the final destination of the correction for Bitcoin having at the moment. Also, we are going to check the final price or the bottom of this correction on Ethereum as well. Stay with me, let's check him out. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to start with the total market cap including Bitcoin. Actually, what do we see in here? We are seeing a correction to the downside, which is really normal. After this huge move to the upside since the start of February, now we are seeing a correction to the downside. The question is this correction are going to stop above or nearby this cross we have got in here, which is the support area for us? And this support area is going to cross this area for the horizontal and the line we have got in white color. If this correction for all the cryptocurrency actually are dropping to this area is still normal for me, and I cannot see any falling down below this area anymore. And if this cross actually can hold the price for all the cryptocurrency, after that we are going to see another huge run or massive, even massiver than that one, to the upside. We are going to check the total market cap excluding Bitcoin as well. I told you after this breakout of this triangle we have got in here, I told you this move to the upside is going to be same as this one. What do we have in here? I said $670 billion for the altcoin is going to be normal to see that one. What did we see in here? $668 billion for the all altcoins has got reached, and after that we are seeing a correction to the downside. What do we have as a support in here? Is a purple line. If this purple line can hold a correction for the altcoin, after that we are going to see, oh sorry about that one, we are going to see another huge run to the upside from altcoins. But if this one get break out to the downside, I'm expecting this previous high was in here actually gonna hold the price of the altcoin as well. Is going to be around the $580 billion, and after that altcoin are starting to move to the upside again. But if this support cannot hold the price of the altcoin, actually that's going to be really crazy for altcoin to crash to the downside. I'm not seeing that one going to happen yet, but if this support is going to lose the price of the altcoin, actually we are going to see a massive crash to the downside for altcoin. We are going to see the Bitcoin dominance as well. We are going on the weekly time frame. As I told you, 61% of the Bitcoin dominance is really important. Every time actually the Bitcoin dominance is reaching to 61%. After that, Bitcoin is still rising to the upside, and we are seeing a little bit or few just the altcoins rising to the upside as well. But what do we see in here at the moment? It is really important. What do we have in here on the weekly time frame? We have got a bullish engulfing candle, and we have got the morning star. As you can see in here, we have got the red, a doji red, and we have got a bullish engulfing in green. That shows us the morning star is happening for the Bitcoin. That means the Bitcoin dominance is start to explode to the upside for the next few weeks. What do we see? We are seeing Bitcoin is rising to the further prices like maybe $70,000 or $80,000. Altcoins are still rising to the upside, but the speed of rising, speed of the move for Bitcoin is going to be faster than the altcoins. We are going to see they are pumping to the upside in the next few weeks. I think the alt season is going to end very soon in the next 1 or 2 weeks actually, and we are going to see Bitcoin pumping to the upside very faster than the altcoins. We are going to check the Bitcoin price as well. We are on the weekly. We are going back to the daily time frame. As what do we have in here? Let me go. What do we have? We're still seeing the higher high and higher low for Bitcoin is still making. Even if Bitcoin going back to this area is going to be still a higher low for Bitcoin price as well. What do we have in here? As you can see, after this rising wedge was broken to the upside, back tested, and after that we made a huge run to the upside to about a $58,000 area, and now we are going to just a correction. We are going to see a correction to the downside for Bitcoin, which is really normal. If we go on the other chart we have got in here, what do we see in here? After this bull flag, I told you the price for the $57,000 is really going to be possible for Bitcoin. After $57,000 we had a shakeout, and to the $58,000 now we are going to see a correction to the downside. The other chart I have got in here, as you can see, what do we have in here? A small a short-term support actually we have got in this area. Bitcoin has got a channel, a rising channel in here, if we can call that one rising channel. We had a two fake breakout about this area, a fake breakout, now back to the inside and was playing in here, and a fake breakout again, and is still back to the downside, and is going to reach to the lower line of this area, which is about the $52,700 area. What do we see? If Bitcoin still want to break the upside, need to play about a few days, and after that we are going to see another huge run for Bitcoin to the upside to reach about a $60,000, which is our target at the moment. I'm going to show you another chart I have got in here. This is really important for me because what did Bitcoin do in the past 1 or 2 days? Actually, we had a broadening wedge, descending broadening wedge. Now this one is broken to the downside. Bitcoin is might going to see like a $52,000 area. I'm not going to exactly to $52,000. Maybe it's going to be 52 to about a $53,000 area for Bitcoin. What do we see in here? According, I told you, let me go back on the daily time frame. I told you this purple line is really important for us at the moment. We saw actually this one got broken, was working as a support, and after broken to the downside was working as a resistance. Now the Bitcoin price is still upper than that one. This purple line is still really important for me. If I'm going to extend this one to the upside, okay, that's much better for me. What do we have in here? We have got a support area in here for Bitcoin, which is about a $52,000 area. It's a small zone we have got in here. We have got the upper line of this rising channel as well. After Bitcoin was playing inside this rising channel and broke to the upside and made actually a resistance about the $52,700 area, backtest the upper line of this channel and broke to the upside again. Now Bitcoin is correcting to the downside. I think the final destination for the Bitcoin is going to be about the $52,700 area, because it's crossing the this support area we have got, and we have got the upper line. We have got the upper line in this area of this rising channel we had in the past. If Bitcoin tried to break to the downside, actually this area should hold the price for Bitcoin, which is about the $51,000 area, because this purple line was working really great for support, as a support and as a resistance for Bitcoin price. This purple line is going to be really important. If Bitcoin crossed down of this support, we have got about the $52,700 area. After that we are going to see another support, actually about the $51,000 area for Bitcoin. Now we are going to say now we are going to check the Ethereum price as well. What do we have on the daily time frame? I told you after this rising channel was broken to the upside, Ethereum was playing inside this rising channel as well. Now what can we do? Actually, we can adjust this one, because this shadow we have got in here can still working really good for Ethereum as well. Maybe we are going to see a bounce from Ethereum about this area to the upside as well. I have got the important chart for Ethereum as well. I'm going to show you in a second. What do we have in here? We have got the support area, which was working as a resistance for Ethereum in the past. as you can see, it was like a resistance for Ethereum and broke to the upside and work as a really good support for Ethereum. Now we might going to see another support in this area and bounce to the upside. The thing is, the market is still so bullish for all the crypto market, for all the cryptocurrency, at least for Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are so bullish. What do we have in here? I'm going to the 4-hour time frame to show you actually we have what do we have in here. We have got a really long term actually rising channel, rising wedge, and after that got broken to the upside, back tested, and the Ethereum price was working, was playing above this area. Now this one is so important for Ethereum to hold the price not falling below this area. What do we have in here? That's 127% of the Fibonacci retracement. If I'm going to show you, this one is going to be from the top on 2017 to the bottom in 2018. That's going to be the 127% of the Fibonacci retracement for Ethereum. Now is working really great as a support. And this one, if is got broken to the downside, I'm expecting the next support zone we have got in here, which is about a $1,700 to $1,725, is going to hold the price for Ethereum not falling below this one. If the price of Ethereum fall actually below this area, that's going to be so ugly for the Ethereum, and we are going to see a really bigger crash, which is not gonna happen. I think so. This is only my opinion. It's not a financial advice, but I think if even Ethereum break to the downside, this area is gonna hold it actually, and after that we are going to see a really huge and fast pump to the upside. I've got another chart for Ethereum. I'm going to share it with you. What do we have in here? If I check it out on the 4-hour time frame or daily time frame, is going to be same actually. Ethereum is still playing inside this bigger rising channel at the moment, and it's got broken the middle line, and now maybe we are going to see to check the to test actually the lower line of this channel we have got in here, and we have got the support area, which is about the $1,725, was working really great. Maybe we are going to see Ethereum to play and fall into the downside to this area, and after that we are going to see a huge run to the upside. That was all from me for today. If you guys enjoyed that one, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have found the video helpful. Thank you so much guys, and see you in the next one.